Innal hamdalillah nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruhu wa na'udzu billahi min syururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. Man yahdihillahu fala mudhillalah wa man yudlil fala hadiyalah. Asyhadu anna la ilaha illallah wahdahu la syarikalah. Wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Wa a'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Welcome to my channel Qsharebd. Qsharebd is a channel of sharing knowledge in order to understand Quran. Today is our lesson 12. In this lesson we will discuss Arabic verb forms or Arabic derived verb. It will be our part 1 in this discussion, because this discussion will be a little bit longer. In today we will see some basic discussion that we have discussed in our previous lesson. The basic verb pattern for 3 root letter is like this, that you already know this one. The fa'ala, fa'ila and fa'ula. These are the 3 pattern of different type of verb. Kataba fall under this pattern, fahima under this pattern, and karuma under this. The first letter of this pattern is called fa kalima or first radical. The second one is called ain kalima or second radical, and third one is called lam kalima or the third radical. This we have discussed several times in our several lessons. Again, I am just highlighting to make it easier for you. Now, whenever we see any verb, new verb under this group, then at least we should learn 6 things about that verb. What are the 6 things that we need to know? These are the things: the past tense, the present tense, the command or amount verb, the masdar or what will be the verbal noun, the active and passive participle. Like in kataba, the kataba means he wrote, and the present tense is yaktubu, he writes. The command verb is uktub, writes. Masdar is kitabah, writing. Active participle is katib, writer. And passive participle is maktub, written. These are the 6 things that we should know for any verb whenever we want to learn, so that we can use this verb in different purpose in our sentence. The kataba and the yafala, yaktubu, this is the pattern, is the fa'ala pattern, and this fa'ala, from this fa'ala all other pattern is shape. The fa'ala, yafalu, uful, fi'ala, tun, fi'ala, and fa'il and mahful. These are the pattern that we have discussed in our conjugation discussion table. Now, if we want to express something different related to kataba, but is something different, like if we want to say, if we want to order someone to write something, that is called dictation class. Then in Arabic a new verb comes in, that is called aktaba. Aktaba means he dictated. He was not writing himself, but he was instructing someone to write. So aktaba is used in this case, he dictated. Like in kataba has this 6 form, 6 different way to use. This aktaba also have the same thing, same formula, same way that we can express this aktaba as well. The present tense of aktaba, he dictates. What will be the present tense? Can you guess? Of course, this ya will be added before this aktaba. It will be yaktibu. And the amor, here is the Uful is the standard for pattern, but for aktaba is a new verb. For this new verb, it will be active, dictate, just to command second person. And for the verbal noun or masdar, iktabun, dictating. And for active and passive, will be mukti, mukta. These are the way that the new verb also we can express the six different ways. So this new verb, whenever we get any new verb, we should learn these six things of that verb. Here this kataba is the basic form of verb. This is called form 1, and this aktaba is a different form of this verb. Now I will give you some on example. Like if you want to say he went out from the room, then simply we will say kharaja min al ghurfati. But if we want to say something like this, he made him to go out from the room, or he forced him to go out from the room, or we can say he get out him from the room. Then how to say? New verb which comes in kharaja. Kharaja mean forcefully make someone to go out from somewhere. Kharajahu mean al ghurfati. He made him to go out from the room. Now, if we want to say he expelled me from the room, some more intensifying action. He expelled me from the room. Then to express this, again the new verb comes in, the akhraja. Akhraja, akhraja e means me. This is the object pronoun or possessive pronoun. Akhraja he expelled me, min al ghurfati. So these are the three way that we sometimes we need to use different type of verb. And this verb, this first one is the form 1 verb, and this one form 2, and this one is the form 4 verb. Similarly, there are total 10 verb forms in Arabic. So we will see the brief discussion today of 10 verb forms. Form 1 verb is the basic pattern of verb fa'ala, and the standard meaning of form 1, like kharaja. And form 2 also comes from form 1 by making the middle letter double. The fa'ala, the second form of the verb, is derived, kharaja. And the form 3 also derived to form 1, like fa'ala. Fa'ala, after the first radical we just put alif. Form 4 is afala. Afala also is comes from this first form, just putting a before the first form verb and sukun on the first letter, the akhraja. Akhraja is the form 4 verb. Form 5 is ta fa'ala. The ta has been added before the form 2, ta fa'ala. Ta fa'ala, from fa'ala it comes in ta fa'ala, is form 5. And form 6 is ta fa'ala. It comes from form 3. Form 3 is fa'ala, and add ta before this form 3, we will get form 6. Ta fa'ala. And the form 7 is in fa'ala. Just put in before the form 1, we will get in fa'ala. And form 8 is iftala. Iftala is reflexive version of the form 1 verb. Just we put alif, kasra alif, and ta after the first letter. After fa there is a ta, ifta'ala. This is the form 8. And form 9 is if Allah. The last letter become double. If Allah, it is used to relate some things related to colors. And the form 10 is istafala. Istafala, this type of verb is used to request something from someone, or to seek something from someone, something from himself. Istafala. The astaghfirullah has been comes from its verb, form 1 verb. These are the frequently used Arabic verb forms. There are also another 5 form of the verb, but that 5 is not actually used in very rarely used in Arabic sentence or conversation. So this 10 verb form we will discuss details in our next lesson. Today we will not go any more details, because seems it is you may seem that it is little bit harder or complicated. That way I am going slowly. So next lesson, each of the form we will discuss details to make it clear for you. This is the end of lesson 12. If you have any question, please comment, and any other suggestion also mention in the comments, so that I can make the videos so that it will helpful for you to understand. Thank you for watching.